First, make sure the phone is completely powered off before starting. We will need basic tools: screwdriver, pry tool, tweezers, and replacement LCD screen. Begin by gently heating the back cover to loosen the adhesive. Use a plastic pry tool to carefully lift and remove the back cover. Now remove all the screws holding the inner frame. Disconnect the battery connector to prevent short circuits. Next, detach the LCD flex cable from the motherboard. Carefully separate the damaged screen from the frame. Clean any leftover adhesive from the surface. Apply fresh adhesive or double-sided tape to the frame. Place the new LCD screen in position and connect its flex cable. Reconnect the battery and assemble the screws back in place. Reattach the back cover and press firmly around the edges. Now power on the device to test the new screen. Check touch response, display clarity and brightness. If everything works fine, the replacement is successful. Congratulations, your Samsung Galaxy A05 screen is as good as new. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mobile repair guides.
The story of Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs was born in 1955 in California. As a child, he loved electronics and always wanted to create something different. In 1976, along with his friend Steve Wozniak, he started Apple in a small garage. Their idea was simple: make computers small and easy for everyone to use. That dream gave birth to the Apple I and later the Apple II, which became a huge success. But Jobs' journey wasn't always smooth. In 1985, he was forced to leave Apple, the very company he had founded. Instead of giving up, he started next and bought a small animation studio called Pixar. Pixar went on to create hits like Toy Story and changed the world of animation forever. In 1997, Apple was struggling, and Steve Jobs returned. With his vision and creativity, Apple launched revolutionary products: the iMac, iPod, iPhone, and iPad. These inventions didn't just change Apple, they changed the world. Steve Jobs was known for his passion, perfection, and belief that innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. He passed away in 2011, but his legacy lives on in every Apple product we use today. His story teaches us about dreaming big, never giving up, and changing the world through innovation.
The story of the mobile phone. Once upon a time, people could only talk to each other through letters or landline telephones fixed to walls. Communication was slow, and distance felt heavy. Then, in 1973, Martin Cooper made the world's first mobile phone call on a device so big it looked like a brick. It was heavy, expensive, and could only talk for a few minutes, but it was the beginning of a revolution. Through the 1980s and 1990s, mobile phones became smaller and easier to carry. People used them mainly for calling and texting. Having a mobile phone became a status symbol, a sign of modern life. Then came the 2000s, phones got color screens, cameras, and even music players. Texting became popular, and people could finally send pictures. Nokia, Motorola, and Sony Ericsson ruled the market. In 2007, everything changed. The first iPhone introduced the smartphone era, a pocket computer with internet, touch screen, and apps. Soon, Android phones joined, and the mobile phone was no longer just for calls. Today, mobile phones are our cameras, calculators, entertainment centers, wallets, and even classrooms. From simple bricks to powerful smartphones, they have become our constant companions, connecting people across the world instantly. And the story isn't over, because every year, mobile phones evolve with new technology, shaping the future of how humans connect and live.